Now, how do you help the client relax? For those of you who have done level 1 or anxiety, you know the Betty Erickson method, right? That's the simplest and the fastest way to do this. For those of you who don't, I'm quickly demonstrating this. Then you will all go into a practice room, do this with each other, tell the person that now that you are, okay, so whatever I'm demonstrating, and you will do the exact same thing with each other. Is that okay? All right.
Yes.
So who wants to become a demo? But they need to have a stable internet connection. Neha. Okay. So Neha, do I have the permission to work with you? Perfect. You are mute.
Yes.
Perfect. Are you sitting in a comfortable place?
Yes.
Okay, so remember, when you're doing relaxation, you want the client to be sitting in a comfortable place with a backrest and so on. You don't want them to get relaxed and then fall off from the chair because there was no backrest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now, what I want you to do is just take 3 slow, deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. And then whenever you're comfortable, slowly open your eyes. And then just tell me the first 3 things that you can see around you.
What 3 things?
That you can see around you.
Chair, and cupboard,
Mhm.
and watch.
Okay. 3 things that you can hear in the room that you are in.
I can hear sound, your sound, birds sound outside.
One more, 3 things. So my sound, bird sound, and
The breath.
your breath. Perfect. And 3 things that you can sense in your body.
The air which is moving, touching my body, and my breath, and the clothes I'm wearing is touching my body.
Perfect. And then can you just make yourself completely comfortable? The backrest and so on, right? And with your eyes open, just let me know 2 things that you can see.
I can see you, and I can see now Anita.
Perfect. 2 things that you can hear.
The voice of the bike and your voice.
2 things that you can feel.
I can feel the air and I can feel my breath.
1 thing that you can see.
I can see you now.
1 thing that you can hear.
The voice.
And 1 thing that you can feel in your body.
The air.
Perfect. And then just close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. And tell me the 3 things that you would like to see with your eyes closed.
I would like to see myself happy, relaxed, and calm.
Okay. Give me more visual things that you would be able to see. As in visually 3 attributes that you will notice.
I'll be smiling and dancing. And I'll be relaxed. I can sleep.
Okay. Tell me 3 things that you would like to hear with your eyes closed.
Your voice and the voice around my environment and the breath.
3 things that you would like to feel in your body.
Happy, contentment, and the air.
And where would you feel the happiness and the contentment? Which part of the body?
Heart.
And what would the sensation be like?
Sensation will be the smile on my face and the calmness inside.
And you'll be able to feel that calmness in your chest?
Perfect.
In your mind, in your chest. Good. And then tell me 2 things that you would love to see with your eyes closed.
My smile and myself.
2 things that you would love to hear.
Now to your sound and the sound of my breath.
2 things that you would love to feel. Sensations.
Sensation. Happy, smile, and calmness.
And what would that sensation be like in the body?
It will be like nothing in the mind, and heart with full of giving. Like.
And if I were to ask you to observe those feelings in your body right now, you will be able to observe that, wouldn't you?
Yes.
Brilliant. And then one thing that you would like to see with your eyes closed.
The peace.
And what will you see that will make you realize it's peace?
Calmness within me, like.
How would that calmness be visible? What will be the visual?
Breath will be shallow.
Perfect. So you'll be able to see your breathing, right? Yeah. And what is the one sound that you would like to hear, which will be a sign that you're drifting off to sleep?
Sound of like the river flowing, flowing.
Perfect. And if I were to ask you to imagine that sound of river flowing, you will be able to imagine that right now, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Good. And then that one feeling that you will have in your body that will represent the peace, the calmness,
the breath.
Super. So as you begin to observe your breath, I want you to just notice your breath, and in your mind, every time you inhale, verbally say yes. And as you exhale, verbally say no. And in your mind. And I'm going to be quiet for the next few moments. I just want you to naturally repeat 1 to yourself as you inhale, 2 to yourself as you exhale. And as you do that, there is a possibility that at some point, your mind may drift off into some other thought, which is completely okay. But whenever you become aware that your thought is drifting off to some other area, you can bring it back to your breath and focus on 1 coming in and 2 going out. And as you begin to do this right now with me during this session, every night when you go off to sleep, while you're on your bed, you will naturally notice a tendency for your mind to focus on your breath. And as you inhale, you count 1, and as you exhale, you count 2 while you're on that bed mentally. And very soon, you notice yourself experiencing this peace, this calmness, maybe even this music of water flowing in the background, which allows you to drift off to sleep. While I'm saying this to you right now, you may begin to experience a sense of deep calmness, deep relaxation. So you will continue listening to my voice. And then when you are doing the same thing in the night, you will naturally drift off to a sleep state. And then when you wake up in the morning, you will wake up feeling really fresh and good about yourself. As you continue observing your breath, I'm going to be quiet for the next few moments. And after some time, I'm going to count 1 up to 5. At 5, you'll come back to the present feeling really good and fresh about yourself. And then whenever you're ready, you can then repeat the words integrate, 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 integrate in your mind. And then slowly bring both your hands together, rub them, feel the warmth in your hands. And as I count you from 1 up to 5, you can come back to the present feeling really good and fresh about yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake. Quickly have a sip of water. You have had water?
No, I'll just have.
So just have a sip of water quickly. Okay. Is the process clear for all of you? What we have done? I'm going to give you the process. I'm going to share it in your WhatsApp group. But is this clear till here? So what we did was, yes, because the client is too scattered at times, I'm helping the client focus by using a simple process where I'm asking them to begin by observing what's happening in their environment. And then we are bringing their awareness down to one thing. Then we ask them to close their eyes, begin with 3 things again, and eventually bring it down to one thing. From there, bring their awareness to their breath. And from there, 1, 2, 1, 2. When you're working with the client, you can actually let the client sleep in front of you for 40 minutes. Huh? That 40 minutes of sleep will do them a lot more good than anything else that you will do with them in those 40 minutes. And for a client who has not been able to sleep for some time, they will happily pay you for sleeping like that. Okay. So in her case, I woke her up. In a client's case, you can also tell them that I'm going to go quiet for the next 20 minutes. In these 20 minutes, you will notice yourself being able to go off to a deep sleep. After 20 minutes, when you wake up, you will wake up feeling really good, really fresh. While right now, you're only sleeping for 20 minutes. In the night, when you go off to sleep, you'll have a full night's good sleep.